Welcome to the Business Minded podcast, where we ask the real questions that challenge how you think, how you work, and how you grow. I'm Mikael, your host, an entrepreneur, a coach, and a believer that business starts from within. In my journey through leadership, finance, and personal transformation, I've learned one thing. Before you can grow your business, you must first learn how to mind your own business, your mindset, your habits, and your purpose. So in this podcast, we'll talk about money, mindset, relationships, and real experiences, not just theories. Because being business-minded is more than just profit. It's about purpose, growth, and impact. So welcome here in this conversation. Let's think outside the box. We learn, and this time, let's mind our own business.